Now the first thing you want to do is get an adult to help you light the candle. Once your candle is lit, try to turn the mason jar over the candle just to see what happens. Now as you can see, the flame will grow dimmer, and that's because it's burning up all of the oxygen. Once it's burned up the oxygen, the flame goes out. Pour about 2 inches of water into the bottom of your glass pan. Once you've done that, take your candle, have an adult light it again. Do not attempt this on your own. Light that candle. Once that's lit, you want to take your glass jar, your glass mason jar, and let's put in a couple drops of food coloring, no more than 2, at the bottom of the jar. Try to get it into the center, and you'll see why in a moment. We used green, and it's fun to try this with a lot of different colors. Now, take your mason jar and tip it over quickly over your candle. Try not to let any food coloring escape. A little bit has here. Now watch what happens. You'll see that the flame has gone out, which means the oxygen is burnt out, and up comes the water into the jar. The water will flow up.